Most 45-foot sport cruisers force a trade-off between speed and space. The Azimut Atlantis 45 refuses to pick one. Built by Azimut Yachts in Italy, part of the Atlantis series. Exterior styling comes from Neo Design. Hull construction is fiberglass reinforced plastic on a semi-planing running surface, engineered by the Azimut Benetti R&D department. Twin Volvo Penta IPS 650 pod drives, 960 horsepower combined, top-end speed up to 35 knots, cruise comfortably at 30 knots, fuel capacity 264 gallons, full range and fuel burn data at yachtspecsdirect.com, 47 feet 11 inches overall, 13 feet 9 inches of beam, 3 feet 7 inches of draft. The main deck runs flush from the swim platform forward to the foredeck sun pad, with no steps in between. The main deck is fully open, sun deck, saloon, and galley on one uninterrupted level. True to the Atlantis series open-air concept, exterior lines come from Neo Design, giving this hull its sport cruiser stance. Underneath, a semi-planing hull with 15 degrees of deed-rise aft handles a chop with confidence. Twin IPS pod drives bring joystick maneuvering to a boat this size, a real advantage docking single-handed. Below deck, 2 cabins, 2 heads. The master suite sits forward, a twin configuration guest cabin aft, each with its own private head. Fit and finish carries the same clean contemporary language as the exterior. Bottom line, the Atlantis 45 delivers genuine offshore performance and a proper 2-cabin interior in a package built for a couple who doesn't want to compromise on either. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.